Hi guys, this is Rohit. So in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about grouping selectors and descendant selectors. So grouping selectors means you can apply the same styles to different elements. So I wanna apply the same styles to H1 and paragraphs. So now I could write something like this on H1, and for H1 I write some styles here, and for paragraph and I write some styles here. But in order to group these, I am just writing the H1 comma P, and now I am applying the styles here. I wanna color them as suppose red. Now save this and now see this in browser. So yeah, perfect. So my both my heading and paragraphs color red. So that is how grouping the selectors. So grouping by separating with comma, and you can also group more than one element. You can group any number of one with same styles. Suppose if you want to change the font family or font for this paragraph, you can use uh, the same thing, but you don't want to use the font size. You don't want to increase the font size of heading, but you want to increase the font size of paragraph. Then you can write this. You can use the selectors and you can write the font size here to suppose, and save this. Yes, perfect. It is it is changed, but the heading doesn't change. So that is it about grouping elements, grouping selectors. And now I'm going to talk about descendant selectors. So what the descendant selectors means, so here h1 is descendant of this division tag. So these h1 and paragraphs are part of this division. So these h1 and paragraphs are descendants of this division tag. So now suppose I have two divisions here. Copy. Suppose I have two divisions with same class, now I wanna suppose when I apply the styles to them, let me class my class. I'm applying the background color. Suppose green. Save this. So now, so I have two blocks which colored uh, green background. Now I wanna change only this text to white color. So what I'm gonna do? Uh, you'll do you'll use something like this. You'll write something paragraph and you write the color as white. Now when I say this, so both my uh, block paragraph colored white, but I want only one, only this first block paragraph should be colored white. How do I do that? So what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna give an the class name for this class name. I'm giving the class name as my part. I haven't given anything for this. I left it off. Oops, not this one. Here, my part. So now what I'm gonna do is, here comes the uh, what is that? Descendant selectors means uh, so here paragraphs is descendant of division. So now I'm writing the div and I am giving the space, and I am writing the paragraph and the class name is my pair. So dot my pair. Now just give the color as white. Now save this and say this. Yup. Yup. Oops. Done spelling mistake here. I must use the same as the class name here. Don't forget that. Now save this. I have separated them these two elements with white space. Don't forget. Now see this and see this in browser. Yes, perfect. Um, you can also write like this. Here I have two classes. This class is also descendant of this class. So now what I'm gonna do, I can also write like this. I'm just removing this division dot my class. I think it works. Perfect. Doesn't change. So that is it about descendant selectors. So we have learned about two topics here. Grouping elements. So in order to group elements you must separate them with comma. Suppose h1 comma p. So this is called grouping elements. If you use space, this means you are doing descendant selecting. So that is it about grouping elements and descendant selectors. So I hope you understand this. So thank you guys for watching this video and catch you in the next video.